We're human vacuums.
Oh, we already messed up.
Should we start over?
Soldier boy, tell me.
Hey guys, I'm Safia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be baking an explosion cake, or at least attempt to make an explosion cake. I'm not too worried about it because this little one's a baker. She loves to bake, and she's a little princess. So tell your name to everybody.
I'm Percy.
She's my little twin, my mini me. Take two.
The first one kind of failed because failed instructions, so
I put my trust in her and let her be the baker in this video, and we had to start over. So it was 2 3/4. That's what I remember it being.
Put it in.
In here?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yes, Safia.
This is where I messed up last time.
Okay, so now put in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Gotta be proper. Thank you.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Oh, should I do 2 at once? So then you do this one. No, you'll probably screw it up.
Yeah, I'll screw it up. Let's just do it together.
Okay.
She knows me.
And then 3/4 tablespoons of salt. I was just about to
She's gonna read it to me and I'm gonna do it. And then she's gonna mix it all up when we're done.
Safia!
Percy, calm down. It's fine. It's just a little extra salt. Put it in. It's fine.
No!
Do you really think that's gonna make or break us? Should mix that up. So we're not gonna use that yet. We're just gonna set that aside. That's what we did wrong last time, is we put all the ingredients in one. Okay, here's the second one.
Okay.
And then what do we put in here? Tell me.
The buttermilk.
Oh, this is cool. How much? 1 cup, right?
1 cup.
Look at me go.
Look how nice
So,
that looks.
yeah, that looks so satisfying, even the way it poured in.
Now that we did that, vanilla extract. Ooh, my favorite part.
Okay, and then how much should I put of this?
2 tablespoons.
Oh, 2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go in with 1 cup of unsalted butter.
Give me a fork.
Give me a reason to fall in love. It's not even a song. It's alright. And this is why. And this is why you
Smush it
don't
up.
ever bake with her or me. Fine, no worries, it's good. It's fine. We're good?
Take this bad boy out. Look at the eggs.
Oh. Wait. 5 eggs. Sorry. 5 eggs, right?
Yeah.
Five eggs.
Hey,
My baby little sister wants to say hi.
is that my sister Sophia?
Sugar.
I love you. Oh, you like a baby.
Say the truth, Colin. You just wanted to be the star of the show.
She just.
Baby shark, did you?
She goes, no, don't do it.
Mommy
Okay,
shark,
I'm putting the
did you?
next. Aw, my princess is ready. We got her all dressed up. She wanted to join, and we don't let any little sister left out, right? So can you say hi and say your name?
My GHALYPHEA.
Now we're just doing the graduated salt.
So now I'm adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Do I add this too?
Yeah, you honestly probably add everything.
Let's check.
We don't really know if that's the right thing to do, but we're making it into the Percy and Safia cake, so I'm just gonna go with what we think is right. So we just finished mixing this, and I just tried it, and it's actually
Bomb. Even though we like messed up.
oh shoot! Can I get sick because of the raw egg?
I don't know.
We both did it with our middle finger. I tried it with my middle finger too. So now we're gonna put the cake in. Leave it in there and we'll time it for 30 minutes and then we'll be back to finish the video for you guys. We're gonna be decorating next.
Yeah, this whole thing smells kind of.
Dude, Percy, are you sure? It's like really burnt. It smells really like it's burning. It smells like something's about to catch on fire. Like I'm actually kind of scared. Should I try opening it?
Said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
Oh my god, it's catching on fire. You saw it. That was catching on fire.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh my gosh, it literally caught on fire. We could not be worse bakers. I just had to open the door because it smells so much like fire.
Okay, ready?
Wish us luck that this one does not catch on fire.
We'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so we got all this stuff ready. We cleaned everything up. And now we're gonna take out the cake because it seems kind of ready. The middle is just like not cooperating.
Yeah, but the sides are starting to burn and we don't want the house to catch on fire, so.
We already
We
had
already
that
had
happen.
yeah, we had our scare earlier, so we're just gonna take it out and just kind of like deal with it. It's not bad at all. I'm actually proud of us. Good job, princess. We got these to put in the explosion, M&Ms
And sprinkles.
and rainbow sprinkles for the explosion. You know what to do.
I don't know what to do either. So right now I'm just gonna cut a hole in the middle of the cake. This is how I do it professionally. Probably not how you do it. Let's try some.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this piece.
Not bad.
It's actually good. It's really sugary though.
Ooh,
It's good.
this is a caramba.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm putting the M&Ms inside the punctured hole.
Wait. You smush it down like that.
Boy, what a blow.
You know, Cookie Monster is gonna be like a real monster. Like not even the Cookie Monster. Okay, I did it. It doesn't look that bad.
Okay. Since I'm just so cool, I have my magical powers, and I'm like so lazy, I don't want to do this, so I'm just gonna snap my fingers and then it'll just be done. So.
So this is the final product with the, I don't know if you can see it, the stuff coming out. It wasn't a fail after all. It started off as one. We almost caught the house on fire, but it's all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me and my little sister baking for you guys. Make sure to
Like, comment,
and subscribe. See you guys next time.
When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money ain't a thing. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Call it
Oh. No, wait, stop. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Comment down below if you want me to bake your cake.